Hello, everyone. I'm back here with the continuation of discussion on IELTS speaking. So, in the last session, I had explained you like how the speaking is actually conducted, and also the three different parts of IELTS that we actually have, and also regarding the duration that the test is conducted. All right. So these are the details that we have already discussed here. Well, so today I'm here to talk about like part one of IELTS. So mainly what kind of questions that are asked here and how do we manage to answer these questions successfully. All right. Okay, so let's begin. So basically, here in IELTS Part 1, so they would ask you questions about our daily life experiences. It could be about people or culture, or place or hobbies, or maybe about the adventurous sports that we play, or maybe about food as well. So they can come up with the simplest topic or a concept that we can think of. All right, so this is something that can be asked. All right, so let's say, for example, if the question is about food, right? So the questions could be something like this, where he or she may ask you some opinion questions, like, for example, like, do you think that food habit of people has changed drastically over the period of time? Like that. Or do you think that people have started liking fast food more over the traditional food? So, such questions that they may ask you, or they may ask you some generalized questions like, what kind of food do you like? All right. Or how has your food habit changed over the period of time? So they may ask you these kind of questions basically, and which is about our daily life experience. Okay, so you don't really need any subject knowledge to answer these questions. So that's something that you need to understand here basically, right? And because the fact is that people from all walks of life, people from all different professions write IELTS. Okay, so considering this, they ask you simple questions. Now, let's take up this question. Let's say, how